Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I make some delicious charro beans. In case you don't know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by cooking our beans. I'm going to be using my pressure cooker. Of course, if you don't have one, you can use your stovetop. So we're going to add 3 cups of clean beans. To that we're going to add 1 whole onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin, and 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper. And we're going to fill it up with water. So just make sure that you go to the max line. Okay, so we're going to close it. Make sure that it's set on sealing. Okay, we're going to use the bean setting. Set it on max for 40 minutes. And now we're just going to allow it to cook. Okay, so once our beans are done, we're going to let them sit there while we work on the rest of our ingredients. So we're going to begin by grabbing our large pot. We're going to set it on medium-high heat and we're going to wait for it to heat up. Okay, so once our pot heats up, we're going to throw in 16 ounces of bacon. Just make sure that you chop into small pieces. And we're just going to cook our bacon all the way. Okay, so once the bacon is nice and crispy, we're going to remove it from its fat. So just make sure that you drain as much oil as possible. Okay, so now we're just going to set our bacon to the side. And in the same pot, we're going to add 2 pounds of country-style short ribs. We're going to season our meat with salt, black pepper, and New Mexico chili powder. And we're just going to cook our meat. So just cook it until your meat is nice and golden. Okay guys, so after 15 minutes, our meat is nice and golden. So of course you want to make sure that it's fully cooked. So just grab a piece. As you can see, it's done. So now we're just going to remove it from the oil. Okay, so we're also going to remove all of the oil from the pot. Okay, so in our pot, we're going to add 1 whole tube of chorizo. And we're going to break it down. And at this point, you want to reduce the heat to medium. Okay, so just allow your chorizo to cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we're going to add 12 ounces of sausage. And we're going to cook them for about 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to add 3 Roma tomatoes, 1 whole onion, 1 bell pepper, and chile serrano. I'm using 2. And just make sure that everything is nice and chopped. Okay, now we're just going to cook for 5 minutes. And at this point, we can get our beans out of our Instant Pot. Okay, so after 5 minutes, I'm going to add 5 chile de árbol, along with chopped cilantro. And now we're going to return our meat and bacon. Mix it all together. Okay, now we're going to add our beans, along with all of the broth. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oregano. Now we're just going to bring everything to a simmer. Okay, so as it comes to a simmer, you want to try it for salt, and if you need some more, go ahead and add it. Okay, and lastly, we're going to add our chicharrón. And just like that, we have our delicious charro beans. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So just grab your bowl and add everything in there. Alrighty guys, so now we are ready to enjoy. So I just like to squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on my beans. And I like to get some tortillas. And just like that, now we can enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now I am so ready guys, let me tell you that I love charro beans. Everything is just perfect. So I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. I'm gonna try to grab a little bit of everything, but it is too hot. All of the flavors are just perfect. Perfect combination of everything. And the caldito is so flavorful. Seriously, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make some delicious charro beans. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. bye.